Hi, I'm Joe Dunn with Technica Blizzard. I'm here with Ski Gear TV and the Ski Profit Test Team. This is Marcus Caston. Tell me about the Cochise.
The Cochise is my favorite ski of the free mountain line. It's like one big fat Super G ski with 2 sheets of metal,
Full wood core,
vertical sidewall, total beast,
flip core,
108, underfoot.
how's the ski?
Sick.
Tight turns,
Tight turns, big turns, all types of turns, crud, powder, groomers,
bumps, does it all.
everything.
Cochise. I've skied this at Cannon Mountain, loved it there. Where have you skied it?
Skied it at Snowbird,
Park City,
Alta,
Deer Valley,
Canyons,
Powder Mountain,
Alyeska,
Sunapee,
Loveland,
Squaw,
Sugar Bowl,
Beaver Creek,
Big Sky, Montana.
Kirkwood,
Jackson,
Sun Valley.
Big Sky, Montana.
So this is the 2014 Cochise ski. The only thing that's changed for next year is the graphic. And yeah.
Get to a local Blizzard dealer.
Yeah, get to your local Blizzard dealer. Check them out. Ride them switch. They're surfy. They're floaty. They go big.
But they don't have a twin tip, so don't ride them switch.